This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Try next changing the scene by attaching a block to the win run event. So win run's a bit different than the other events because it's at the very start of the program. So anytime I hit the ground, I lose the game. When I hit an opponent or hit an obstacle, I lose. When I click, this could happen 100 times in a game. It runs every time. Win run, right? So the second I click run, the code under it runs, but just once and always only once. Which is good because we only need to set the speed once. We would also only need to change the scene once unless we have multiple levels we're doing, but I don't think we're that fancy yet. So try changing the scene. Do we have a, yep, set scene. Okay. So set scene and then, ooh, I already know I want sci-fi. Love sci-fi movies. Let's try it out. So when, oh, and it changed instantly. Boom. Wait a minute. I want random though. Oh, wait, really? Oh. What is that one? Night? Does it tell me? Ah! I changed mine to a small flap, which helps a lot because I'm not good. I want to show you something though. Watch. So it's set random right now. What if I did this? What do you think would happen? When clicked, I'll flap a small one out and set scene to random. Let's see. What's happening? It's kind of crazy, right? Oh, well, I lost so fast. But what's going on there is when you click now, I flap a small amount and I set a random scene every single click. The reason I wasn't doing that before is when we hit run, we only hit run once and we set the scene. Pretty cool. Oh gosh, now I have to score another point. Hardest thing I've ever done. Is this a new high score? Is it cheating if I have a small flap? Oh. Oh well. Onward.